I get it. I get it. Life's busy, but the belief that you need more time to make more progress isn't really true. It's bollocks, really. What you do need is consistency, and you need the clarity of what you're working on, and you need to focus your attention on those things with the right kind of practice. I see this all the time with my students, and truth be told, I do it too. I spend more time faffing around connecting up pedals or like creating a tone sometimes than I do actually practicing. Build a consistent habit, have a routine, have a time that you practice, and it can be as little as 10 to 20 minutes, I would say. So is it going to be before you have your dinner, after your dinner, before work, straight after work, in your lunch break? So put it in your diary like you would anything else, write it down, and be consistent. Have all your stuff pretty much ready to go if you can, because I was talking about faffing around connecting up pedals earlier, but like when I have to faff around doing stuff like that, it kind of not only eats into the time, it sort of kills the motivation a little bit. So, but if I've got everything ready to go, I've got the guitar out, it's not in its case, it's on a stand, got the amp ready, I've got my, or got the plugins ready, I've got my practice resources are ready to go. That just again just removes that friction. Do you know every time you sit down to practice what you're gonna be practicing? Honestly, okay. Uh, where if you said yes, then you're in the minority because I think that most people have no clue. They just sit down and just start playing things. So that's not practicing things. That's just playing things. Have a goal. Have that one specific skill that you're working on. So you're alternate picking, for example, especially if you're short on time. Think about specific skills that are transferable across like all of your guitar playing. So I keep mentioning alternate picking as one of them. Alternate picking is a skill that is transferable across 90 odd percent of your guitar playing. If you're a metal guy, you will be working on like down picking and galloping and stuff. Okay, that sort of thing as well. Bending, bending in tune, like vibrato, those kind of things you could be working on, and they have a high degree of transferability into all of your guitar playing. But then matching those to a goal. Okay, by the end of the week, I want to be able to play through this routine, this practice routine, or this song at this BPM, and be able to play it cleanly, or play it like 8 out of 10 times at least without messing it up. Like many things in life, we don't need more time. We need more more structure. You need a better plan. You need focus, a clear goal. I want you to pick a time where you can realistically do this, where you can realistically go, right, I'm going to practice for 10, 15, 20 minutes at that time. Put it in your diary. Get that consistency part done first. If you don't do anything else, even for that 10, 15, 20 minutes, you sit there and you're like, I don't know what to do. Choose one technique to work on for that period of time, or one part of a song to work on, or one, theory concept or something to work on just for that one period of time. And then go, right, this week I'm focusing on that. If you want an additional challenge, record yourself. Carve out that time to get you back into a decent routine. Clarity, focus, consistency. That should be on a t shirt. Any questions, challenges, abuse? Feel free to leave it in the comment section. Have fun with this. Take care, and I'll speak to you soon.